In a jungle song on Christmas Eve, the monkey friends had tricks up their sleeve. Beneath the moon and the twinkling stars, they planned a show with their monkey guitars. "Let's sing a carol," said Benny the Bold, "a tune so merry it will warm the cold." Lulu the lively with her tambourine began to jingle in the moonlit scene. Around the tree so tall and green, with fruits as ornaments, a dazzling sheen, they gathered close, each holding a part, for a jungle carol straight from the heart. Jingle bananas, jingle all day, swing through the treetops in a festive way. Their voices rang through the jungle night, filling the air with joy and delight. Milo the mischief with coconuts too drummed out a rhythm both steady and true, while Zuzu the shy with a soft little voice sang so sweetly, making hearts rejoice. The parrots joined in, their feathers so bright, echoing tunes in the soft starlight. Even the sloth from his branch so high clapped his hands slow with a sleepy sigh. The jungle awoke to cheerful sound as animals gathered all around. The elephants swayed, the tigers twirled in this festive corner of the world. The monkeys laughed, their tails entwined, a Christmas spirit of the joyful kind. "Let's share our feast," Benny declared. Bananas, coconuts, all were prepared. They danced and sang till the morning light, with hearts aglow, their spirits bright. Christmas, said Lulu, is more than a song, it's love and laughter all year long. So if you hear a carol from far-off trees, with jingling sounds carried on the breeze, you'll know it's the monkeys in their jungle domain, singing their Christmas carols again. In a jungle song on Christmas Eve.